let's make this Origami Acrobat toy together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper and just fold it in half. Now open it and fold the bottom part of the paper again in half, so bring it to the center line. Now fold the corners of the paper inwards, so bring this corner of paper to this line. Like this, and the same on the other side. And also fold this part of the paper in half to the center line. Like so, open it, and now fold this corner paper inwards to this line. Now fold this part of the paper again in half, so bring it to the crease, align it and press it down, and do the same with the other side, so fold this part of the paper in half. Like so. Now fold the sides of the paper inwards to these 2 points. So place your finger right here and fold it over and press it down, and do the same with the other side. So you can place your fingers right here where we did in the previous step, or you can just bring it to the other side and press it down. And you're done with folding it. Now remember, you will position your paper on the side of it, like so, and if you have this part of the paper that is double folded upwards, your Acrobat toy will roll over. But if you put it with this side that it's only once folded upwards, your Acrobat toy will not roll over and will stay in position like this. So this is a magic trick of this Origami toy Acrobat.